Welcome to the parent walkthrough for Florence One School's new My Florence ClassLink Launchpad. This Launchpad serves as a central location for all of the educational resources and applications for students. Here we have a high school student using ClassLink to log in. You'll see that the login page automatically opens up, and once the student logs in, it will take them directly to their Launchpad. All a student needs to do from here is click on their application of choice, and it will log in and navigate to the website for them. For example, let's click on McGraw-Hill, one of our textbooks. High school and middle school students have online textbooks and other applications delivered to their Launchpad as they need them for their classes. Now, let's take a look at the elementary login experience. As you'll notice, the login process is identical for all students. All elementary students have a standardized group of applications selected for them, as well as any online textbooks they may need. Here, we will use Discovery Education as an example. Notice it automatically logs the student in, and it even assigns them to their teacher's classes for any assignments they may have there. For younger students and others needing assistance, quick cards are available and can be used for students to log in. The login page is identical, but with the click of a button and showing the camera the quick card, students are logged in and ready to go. These are just a few examples of the valuable educational resources here, and we will continue to launch more in the coming months. We're super excited about how ClassLink will give our students and teachers quick access to all the digital resources we have available in Florence One schools.